Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today a short video on a very simple crafting tutorial. We are gonna build one of the fundamental elements in a dungeon, a table and a little chair. This will be not a fancy tutorial, something very accurate. We are not crafting something for dioramas or stuff like that. We are just in search of something that, boom, in 20 minutes it's ready on the table. Before start, please consider to support this channel through Patreon, follow the link below, or through a little donation by PayPal. Stay a while and listen.
Here I'm taking a piece of foam 5 mm thick and I'm cutting it 2 inches by 1 inch because this will be the measure of our table. Yeah, always a fresh blade for your X-Acto knife. Here I'm tracing the lines that represent the 3 main wooden planks that will form the table. Check also my tutorial number 4 for the wood grain. I'm tracing the main grain with my pen and then I will improve the texture with a metal brush, not too heavy. Remember the side lines. For the legs of the table, I'm cutting a couple of pieces of foam that are 1 inch large and ½ inch high. I'm giving them a random shape with my knife, using the first one as template for the second, as you can see here. And with some PVA glue and some nails, I attach the legs to the table. Before put the nail, I measure the right distance between the legs and the end of the table, and then when I was sure that they were totally at the same distance, I put my nails. They give a lot of strength and also a little bit of extra weight to my piece. Nice! Now for the chair, I use some very thin slices of foam, actually one of them, and I suggest you to trace the line before cut, so you will have a lot of wood and it will be very easy to treat later. I then measure a wood plank large 3/4 inch and actually 1/8 thick. Or if you prefer, around 17 millimeters and thick 3 millimeters. I then measure a couple of pieces, 1 inch and ½ inch, and I cut them. I then cut off the two corners for a better shape of my chair. And I glue the little one on the big one with a straight angle. You can use PVA glue, also hot glue, whatever. I prefer use some plastic glue because it's very rapid to attach and it's clean. Then I have this piece that is actually 5mm by 5mm, and I measure the 4 legs for the chair. Each leg is 1 centimeter, around ½ inch. Also here, you need to trace the line before cutting. It's easier to work than with the pieces already textured, okay? For some extra weight, also for have some extra strength, I use a couple of washers that are actually ½ inch on the bottom of my chair. And then I attached the 4 legs. For this particular chair, I attach with a straight angle the back ones, and then I put the front one in a 45 angle. You don't need to be scared if your legs are not even. You can go to the proxen and with a rapid passage you can put everything on an even level. Don't forget the side lines. Before paint, I'm covering all the pieces with a mix of acrylic black paint, water and Mod Podge. This will give a lot of strength and protection to my piece. Painting these pieces is very simple. I just use a semi-wet brush with wood brown. When everything was dried, I just pass with a dry brush with a warm gray that gives a nice contrast with the brown. For detailing your pieces, you can use some metal reinforcement. Here I'm just digging the holes for the nails that I forgot to put before. So I was forced to use some wash, brown wash, for fill totally the holes and not see the foam. So after this brown wash, I just redo the dry brush passage with my warm gray, and that's it. Tactical pieces. I think the table and chairs are very tactical pieces on your dungeon. You can use the table as high position for your fight, or your chair even as a weapon. Nice.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I love that this community is continuously growing, you know that. Please remember to support this channel through Patreon or donate something through PayPal. Consider to offer me a coffee per month, for example, and with that little amount of cash, you can support this channel and help me doing better and better. Till next time, take a seat and wait for me.